Arkansas, Columbia.
Questioning why the 150 didn't
Howard,
activate.
Lafayette, Little River, Miller, Nevada, Pike and Sevier, and McCurtain, Oklahoma. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Tornado
While
watch.
not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to the latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 53 has been issued.
This one's from my
9
county.
p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Bowie and Cass, and the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia, Hempstead, Howard, Lafayette, Little River, Miller, Nevada, Pike and Sevier, and McCurtain, Oklahoma. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 53.
Alright. That's how we're starting it? Alright, I got you. If this is how we're starting it. Tornado watch for my county. Oh my gosh, this might mean something is gonna happen. Let's hope we get more alerts. Hopefully. It works. The decoder is fine. I don't know why it just hasn't activated. I might have to wait till we get an SVR or something. Or it could have just been because the volume was down, but we'll find out eventually. Hopefully more get issued. That's how it looks outside. Gosh, it looks like heaven out there. What?